What up, ladies and gentlemen? It's your boy Keno. I am at the 16th Street Mall in Denver, Colorado, USA. If you can look around, you see that this is a beautiful place. I really love this place. So tonight, I will be teaching people how to speak Igbo language on the street of Colorado. So stay with me, enjoy it, and don't go nowhere. What's up, ladies and gentlemen? It's your boy Keno. I met these beautiful damsels here at the shopping mall, and I would like to teach them Igbo language. So what is your name?
My name's Janaya.
Janaya. And you?
Layla.
Layla. How are you guys doing today?
I'm good. How are you?
Doing okay. What about you?
I'm doing good.
Have you guys heard about Nigeria?
I've heard, but I've never
What about you?
heard. Don't know.
So do you guys have Nigerian friends?
Yeah. I have like two.
What about you?
No.
Okay, they are pretty, aren't they? I'm privileged to have them on my channel tonight. So I will be teaching you guys Igbo language. Igbo is an ethnic group from the eastern part of Nigeria, Igbo land, enriched with culture, art, entertainment that we accommodate people. We say Igbo Amaka.
Igbo Amaka.
Say Igbo Amaka.
Igbo Amaka.
Igbo Amaka means Igbo is beautiful. Akokowa.
Akakoa.
And you say Akokowa.
Akakoa.
Okay, Akukuwa means story of the world, like you're telling story, right? Now we're gonna say Kedu Kaimere.
Kidu Kaimera. Kidu Kaimera.
Oh, nice. So Kedu Kaimere means how are you guys doing? You're asking the Igbo people how are they doing. You're gonna tell us your name in Igbo language. You say Afam, but then you call your name.
Afombo Janaya. Afombo Layla.
Okay, nice. Now, if you are opportune to date an Igbo guy, will you want to date an Igbo guy?
Maybe, yeah. Possibly.
Good.
Maybe.
Maybe. So now you say Chuku Dimma.
Chico Dima.
And you?
Kudima.
Okay, it means God is good. So God is good to us. So I want you to give a shout out to my fan.
Follow his account. Go like and give him a lot of comments. Follow you and
Comment.
like and comment.
Spell out your Instagram account name so that my fans will follow you, okay?
PYT_Janaya. BXBY.late.
Okay, guys, please make sure you follow them. Do not spam their account. Do not disturb them with too much DMs. Do not harass them. Do not ask them for money or anything. Please just be nice and be friendly with them. They are beautiful, aren't they? They are special. So let's say bye-bye to my fans. Bye.